Yo, are you looking for some free content to view on your Amazon Fire Stick, whether that be movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, you name it, we can get it. Check this out. Oh, we have our Amazon Fire TV Stick here. Under the search icon, type in Downloader, D-O-W-N. Should come right up. Get it, download it, install it. Open up Downloader. Downloader gives you the ability to sideload applications onto your Amazon Fire Stick. In the short code location here, we're going to type in a quick URL, 753120. This will give us a shortcut to the Led by the Unknown webpage for the best apps and downloads. Check out all the apps available on here. Once the redirect's over, use the 3-line button on your remote, add current page to favorites, and then save it. Now guys, check it out. There's top 25s, there's applications for movies, TV shows, for live TV, for sports. Quick demo here, we can try like Pluto TV. Click on Pluto, loads right up. Click on Pluto, a quick 10 meg download. Now, I didn't jailbreak my Fire Stick, but the Fire Stick will do it for you. So here it says Downloader. For your security, your TV is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source, Downloader. So it'll take us to the settings. Under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. This allows Downloader to install other applications that are not from the Amazon Fire Store. Some of these apps might be from the Fire Store, but some may not be. So once you've turned it on, you can back out once, back out twice, and now it's ready to install. So we can click Install. And what do you want to do with this application? Down at the bottom right, click Install. Apps installed. Now we're going to click Done. Do not open the application yet, because we need to delete the APK file as we no longer need it taking up space on our Amazon Fire TV Stick. So we hit Delete, and we're done. Let's go back to the home screen. Check out the other apps. Over here on the far right side, the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games icon. We can come down to Pluto, use the 3-line button on your remote, move it to the front. Now when we go home, these are front and center. Open up Pluto TV. If you have troubles opening it, you may need to find yourself a different location on the VPN. And here we have free movies and TV shows, live TV. Under live TV here, there's hundreds of channels, folks. Hundreds of free channels available for your Fire TV Stick. You will enjoy it, you will like it, and it's free. Enjoy. Peace. Happy streaming.